Welcome to cpapmachines.ca. Today I'll be introducing to you the new F30 full face mask by Remed. The F30 is the latest addition to the Remed AirFit line. The F30 comes in two sizes. The small, which comes with the small frame and the small cushion, and the medium size, which comes with the medium frame and medium cushion. So let's open the mask up and see what's inside. When you open the package, you'll find the complete mask right here. The mask consists of two parts. The actual cushion, the cushion is right here, and the headgear, which has adjustment on the top as well as on the bottom. The mask comes with the magnetic clips for easy removal. The quick release is located in the front, where you can remove the tubing from the mask much easier. If you compare the F30 with the original F20 full face mask located on your left here, you can tell the major difference is the cushion. Instead of having the traditional triangle shape that covers the nose and your mouth, the F30 covers the mouth only, and you rest your nose on the top. That way there will be no pressure on your nose bridge area, and you will get the same benefit of having a full face mask. For more information and to shop more, visit cpapmachines.ca.